Welcome back to Auto Info Master, where luxury meets performance. And today, we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing creations the automotive world has ever seen. You've heard of hypercars. You've seen luxury RVs, but in 2026, Ferrari decided to merge both worlds and create something that nobody thought possible: the Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Ferrari, the iconic Italian brand known for its blistering speed and racing pedigree, has entered the world of luxury recreational vehicles, and the result is absolutely insane from the very first glance. The Ferrari Motorhome doesn't look like any RV you've ever seen. It's sculpted like a race-bred machine, with aggressive curves, aerodynamic lines, and a presence that screams speed even while standing still. Built with carbon fiber body panels, active aerodynamics, and a sleek profile inspired by the SF90 Stradale, this motorhome looks like it just rolled out of a Formula One wind tunnel. The signature Ferrari grille sits proudly at the front, flanked by sharp LED matrix headlights, and the sides are lined with dynamic air intakes that not only cool the engine, but reduce drag at high speeds. The custom 24-inch alloy wheels come with carbon ceramic brakes, because yes, this RV can perform like a supercar when needed. The roof is lined with flush-mounted solar panels, generating enough energy to power the RV's electrical systems during travel. And instead of bulky mirrors, Ferrari uses high-definition side cameras, beaming real-time feeds to the dashboard display. The dual-tone exterior color schemes, with options like Rosso Corsa, Nero Daytona, and Giallo Modena, add a splash of Ferrari heritage. While retractable, steps and gullwing-style doors welcome you into a whole new universe inside. Now let's step inside and talk about the interior. The cabin is unlike anything you'd expect from a motorhome. It's a Ferrari through and through: luxury, tech, and racing inspiration combined into a mobile masterpiece. The cockpit features a digital wraparound driver interface with haptic controls, a racing-inspired flat-bottom steering wheel, and bucket seats crafted from carbon fiber and Alcantara. But the real magic begins once you move past the front. This motorhome has a living space that rivals five-star hotel suites. Soft Italian leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, ambient LED lighting, and adaptive smart glass windows surround you in comfort. The walls are lined with suede-like Alcantara, and the floors feature matte-finished carbon planks. A 75-inch OLED smart TV emerges from a hidden panel, paired with a Ferrari-branded Bang & Olufsen 3D audio system, giving you a cinematic experience on the go. The starlight ceiling overhead mimics the night sky, and the lighting adjusts based on the time of day and mood settings. The kitchen is equally impressive, featuring hidden induction cooktops, quartz countertops, a smart fridge with touch display, and even a built-in espresso bar. All appliances are seamlessly integrated, with minimalist design and fingerprint-resistant finishes. There's also a climate-controlled wine cellar that holds up to 18 bottles, because luxury shouldn't stop when you're 300 miles from the nearest city. As you move toward the rear of the motorhome, you enter the master suite. This isn't just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary. The queen-sized bed adjusts automatically to your sleeping position. With zero-gravity mode and ambient soundscapes, there's a digital privacy divider, mood lighting, retractable shades, and a wall-mounted display for streaming or work. Underneath the bed, a custom luggage set designed by Ferrari and Scadoni slides into a velvet-lined drawer. The bathroom, located adjacent to the bedroom, features a rainfall shower, a smart toilet with heated seat, and backlit mirrors with motion sensors, all finished in matte marble and titanium. Now let's talk about what truly makes this motorhome a Ferrari: the performance. Underneath the sleek bodywork is a hybrid powertrain derived from Ferrari's own supercar lineup. A twin-turbo V8 engine works in harmony with two electric motors to produce a staggering 90-50 horsepower. This isn't just for show. The Ferrari motorhome accelerates from 0 to 60 in just under 5 seconds. That's quicker than most sports cars, and absolutely unheard of in the motorhome world. The dual-clutch 8-speed transmission shifts smoothly whether you're cruising down the Autobahn or climbing through the Alps. The suspension is adaptive, using magnetorheological dampers for instant road adjustments, and the ride can switch between sport and comfort modes with the flick of a switch. Four-wheel steering enhances agility at low speeds and stability at high speeds. There's even an e-drive mode that allows you to drive up to 60 miles purely on electric power. Perfect for quiet entry into campsites or emission-free city zones. Ferrari also packed this RV with technology. It features Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, including hands-free highway driving, lane change assist, and AI-powered route optimization. The onboard control system is powered by Ferrari's new FOS, Ferrari operating system, which integrates voice control, facial recognition, smart lighting, air quality sensors, and biometric security access. There's satellite Wi-Fi, 5G connectivity, and even a roof-mounted drone bay that deploys a camera drone for aerial selfies or scenic footage, all controllable from your phone or the main infotainment system. So how much will this rolling piece of art set you back? The base model of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome starts at around $2.8 million. But if you want the fully loaded version with every possible upgrade, from personalized interior themes and ultra-luxurious leather trims to high-performance engine tuning packages, and the price can soar past $3.6 million. And with Ferrari offering only a limited production run, exclusivity is guaranteed. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile lifestyle statement. It's for those who don't want to choose between performance and luxury, between the thrill of driving and the comfort of home. Whether you're parking at trackside at Monza or road tripping through the Riviera, this is more than transportation. It's a Ferrari experience, reimagined for the open road. Thanks for watching today's review here on Auto Infomaster. If you loved this jaw-dropping look at Ferrari's boldest move yet, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the world's most luxurious and powerful vehicles. Drop a comment below. Would you drive a $3 million Ferrari RV? Or is this just rich madness? We want to hear from you.